Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today we're going to make what I call hamburger soup. I grew up eating this stuff and it's mighty fine, I tell you. We're going to start out with, this is about a 6-quart Dutch oven or pot. And we're going to use 1.5 pounds of ground chuck is what we're using. And we're going to add a little bit of salt and also some good old cracked pepper. Just a little bit in there. And we're just going to get it broke up and we're going to get it browned up. Okay, so we got our meat browned up and I'm going to go ahead and drain the grease out of it. Now what we're going to do is add 1 whole onion. I just sliced it up in little kind of bite-sized pieces. We'll throw that in there. And we're also going to add in a little bit of celery. Dump that in there. And give it a mix. And we'll just let this cook for 4 or 5 minutes just till the onions start to soften up a little bit. It's been cooking for a couple minutes over about medium heat. I'm going to go ahead and add in a little more cracked black pepper. Add some granulated garlic in, or garlic powder, just about a teaspoon or so. Also going to add in some granulated onion or onion powder. Again, just about a teaspoon or so. And I'm going to give it a good mix to get the seasonings incorporated in there real good. We're going to add in about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Next we're going to add in a 29-ounce can of tomato sauce. And also a teaspoon of oregano. And you can use, other herbs if you want to as well. Whatever you like. We'll give this a mix. I'm going to add some water in there. Just filled the 29-ounce can of tomato sauce up with water and I'm going to dump it in there. And a good spoonful of Better Than Bouillon beef base. Actually, we'll go with 2 spoonfuls. Now I'm just going to give this a mix and I'm going to bring it up to a simmer and I'm going to let it simmer for probably about 30 to 45 minutes while I get the rest of my ingredients together and ready. Alright, we've been simmering for about 45 minutes to an hour or so, and right there's what she's looking like. Looking mighty fine, I tell you. And it's been simmering with the lid off the whole time. We're going to add some russet potatoes. This was 3 small russet potatoes. I cut up in just kind of bite-sized pieces. So we're going to throw that in there. I'm also going to throw in a 10-ounce can of Rotel in there. Now we're going to throw some frozen vegetables in there. This is a 12-ounce package of frozen carrots. I'm going to add in about half the pack. Some frozen green peas. It's a 12-ounce package. I'm going to add in about half the pack. And frozen corn, 12-ounce pack again. I'm going to add in about half the pack. And you can add as much or as little as you like. And I'm going to add in 1 14.5-ounce can of green beans. I'm going to go ahead and add me in a little bit more seasoning. I'm going to add me in a little bit of pepper. A little bit more pepper. I'm going to add me just a pinch of salt. Also going to add me in just a little bit more garlic powder. And I want some more oregano in it, so put some more of that in there. And we're just going to bring it back up to a simmer and let it simmer for probably another 20 minutes or so, maybe 30, until the taters are tender. 30 minutes, taters and carrots are tender, and right there is what it's looking like, looking mighty fine. I did add 2 more cups of water because it's a little bit thick, and right there it's perfect. Get me a bowl of this right here, let it cool down. We'll try her out. Man. Oh man, look at there.
Eli, do you want any of that spicy chicken? Spicy chicken? No, I don't like it.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Cheers.